It's official. President Trump's new stimulus bill has been introduced, and it's packed with bold changes aimed at helping American families, workers, and seniors. Today, we're diving into what's inside this bill, what's missing, and what it all means for your money. We'll cover everything from the proposed Doge Dividend check, child tax credits, tax breaks for tipped workers and overtime pay, and deductions for seniors. This is the first official draft of the bill coming out of the House Ways and Means Committee, led by Chairman Jason Smith, and it reflects Trump's economic priorities. But remember, this bill still has a long way to go. It must pass the House, clear the Senate, and land on the president's desk. Some parts may not survive the budget reconciliation process, so expect changes. Now, let's start with the hot topic, the Doge dividend check of up to $5,000. Despite the buzz, it's not included in this bill. We searched through the text and found no mention of stimulus checks, direct payments, or the so-called Doge dividend. That said, Trump's plan does include other forms of economic relief that could add up to similar amounts, especially for families. Next, let's talk taxes specifically. No taxes on tips and overtime pay. The bill proposes eliminating taxes on cash tips only, not credit or debit card tips, which still count as taxable income. It's a step forward, but not the full exemption many hoped for. On the overtime front, the bill proposes not taxing the time and a half premium. For example, if you earn $20 hour and work overtime at $30 hour, only the regular $20 hour would be taxed. The additional $10 hour from overtime would be tax-free, a big win for hard-working Americans logging extra hours. Now, let's move to seniors. While there is no specific exemption for Social Security benefits mentioned in the bill, it does propose an extra $4,000 in standard deduction. For individuals over 65, this applies to those earning under $75,000 annually. Arguably, the most powerful element of the bill is the child tax credit expansion. The proposal would make the $2,000 child tax credit permanent, rather than allowing it to revert back to $1,000 in future years. Even more striking, for tax years 2025 through 2028, parents with children under 18 could receive a $2,500 child tax credit per child, per year. This is a dollar-for-dollar credit, meaning if you have 2 kids, that's $5,000 off your taxes, 4 kids. Finally, the bill includes a tax deduction for car loan interest, up to $10,000, but only for personal vehicles. Business vehicles don't qualify. This part of the bill may still be adjusted, possibly adding conditions like must be, but for now, it's a clear incentive for personal vehicle ownership. In summary, here's what's in. No taxes on cash tips, no taxes on overtime bonuses, an extra $4,000 deduction for seniors, a $2,500 child tax credit from 2025 to 2028, and up to $10,000 in car loan interest deductions. What's missing? The much-hyped $5,000 Doge dividend check. Still, these smaller benefits combined could easily add up to, or even surpass that amount, especially for families with multiple children. So, that's where things stand right now. The bill is still in its early stages, and we expect it to evolve. I'll continue to monitor it closely and bring you the latest updates as they happen. Be sure to subscribe, tap that notification bell, and drop a comment with your thoughts. Do you support this bill? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next update.